Welcome back. So, as you guys can see, got my hose right here. Nice and working. Whoa, dude, the FPS is not good right now. No, I don't want to do that. No. Stop zooming in. No. It zoomed in a lot. I'm so sorry. I'm kind of experimenting right now. So, I don't know if you guys would be able to see this, but you need a working hose with the faucet turned on, as you guys can see down there. Here, let me enhance. See if you guys can see it. I'm very bad at this. So just going to do a little enhancing. There's the hose. It's on. You can see how the hose is like that. So, okay. So now what you want to do is you want to take your hose, make sure that it's working, and make sure that you have you're on like a porch or something like I am. Oh, by the way, check out these new kicks. They're freaking awesome. Hold up, I'm gonna sit right here and do it because I don't want these to get wet. So you need a front porch, or really, as long as in front of you is sunny. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like a little rainbow showing up. I can see it beautifully. Here, I'll enhance it. Enhancement. You guys see it? Oh. Yeah, you can like barely see it. It's really hard to capture this on camera. It really is, but I mean, that's really all you need. Oh, wait, hold up, I gotta unzoom. That is really all you need to make a rainbow. Yeah, little face reveal. I haven't revealed my face in a while, plus I haven't done a video in a while. Bada bing, bada boom. See you guys later. Peace out.